Got a burned out capacitor here where the capacitor roll is burned right there and melted, and then you see how these cables are disconnected, and if it starts to fail and build up pressure, this end will bulge outward and when that happens it breaks the connection to the wires here. So it's got a pressure sensitive disconnect function. When the capacitor fails, it disconnects itself from the voltage source to avoid an explosion. I'm going to connect directly to these leads that go to the capacitor, and then we're going to hook it up to some voltage with no disconnector. So that's the aftermath right there. And the video cannot describe to you how much that reeks. That's all I can say. It is pungent. It's going right out into the trash bin.